Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to change profile picture on Duolingo app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to do this, all you need to do is simply tap open your Duolingo app. Once you open the app, you will end up in this page where you need to tap on the profile icon on the bottom taskbar. Simply hit on the gear-like icon, which is settings, and from there tap on change avatar. Once you do this, now you can edit your avatar by choosing different kind of skin color, your accessories, your hairstyle, and different kind of stickers and frames that has been available in your Duolingo avatar section. Once you have made your avatar as your desired one, simply hit on the done button, and after this all you need to do now is simply tap on the save button. So once you do this, your profile picture on Duolingo will be changed. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.